Welcome, Yashwant Kulkarni, Career Counselor. I do conduct intelligence aptitude tests developed by Nyan Prabodhani Pune. Today's topic is how to become a chartered accountant. The most respectful and demanding profession. Journey of 1,000 miles begin with small steps. It means that no matter how ambitious your goal is, you must start at the beginning and initiate even the most basic forward action, a single step towards your end goal. Appear for intelligence and aptitude tests. Know your abilities and orientation. Understand the abilities and orientation required for chartered accountant. Abilities and orientation required for CA. Numerical ability. This ability involves the basic awareness of numbers, quantities, symbols, codes, and manipulation ability. Numerical memory. This ability enables us to remember the numbers in large quantities, coded information, etc. Those who have practiced memorizing numbers can develop a concentration factor. Figural memory. This ability is essential in all academics as well as in the day-to-day life scenarios. Our daily activity is based on what we have learned and remember through observation and experience. Social ability. This ability helps in understanding people through their thoughts, facial expression, gesture, posture. It is highly essential in the fields where one has to study about people and interact with them more frequently. Orientation. Knowledge orientation. This kind of orientation is required, and that to be the higher level in gathering the information, research, teaching, making plans, project proposals in professional and occupational life. Practical orientation means awareness in practical work, proper focus on outcome of the work, emphasize on financial profit and losses. Important keys for success. You must have interest in finance and commerce. Must have practical approach. Insight of numbers. Interest in trade and related affairs. Hard work and persistence. Procedure to become a CA. There are two ways. One it is called foundation way, or second is direct entry. Those who are in the 12th standard appeared or cleared, they can go through a foundation path, and those who are graduate or ICWA or CS, they can go to direct entry. Let us understand foundation route. Those who have cleared 12th exam, they can appear for CA foundation. There are basically 4 papers: principle and practice of accounting, business laws and business correspondence, business mathematics and logical reasoning and statistics, business economics and business commercial knowledge. Foundation route is very clear. After 12th standard or 12th standard clear or appear, registered for foundation course, study for 4 months, fill application form online, appear for exam, pass with 40% mark in each subject and 50% aggregate. Then you are eligible for intermediate level. After clearing foundation exam, you have to appear for group 1 and group 2 simultaneously. Group 1, there are 4 papers: accounting, corporate law and other law, cost and management accounting, and taxation. After clearing group 1, we can appear for group 2. For group 2, subjects are advanced accounting, auditing and assurance, enterprise information system and strategic management, enterprise information system, strategic management, financial management and economics for finance. Foundation route, clear path. Clear foundation level of CA, registered for single or both groups, complete 8 months study period, fill online application for both the groups or single group, complete 4 weeks of ICITSS training, clear single group or both the groups, registered for 3-year practical training, clear both the group of intermediate and complete ICITS training. Then you are eligible for final level. After clearing group 1 and group 2, you have to appear for final. Papers for final: financial reporting, strategic financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics, corporate and economics law, strategic cost management and performance evaluation, risk management, financial services and capital markets, international taxation, economic laws, global financial reporting standards, multidisciplinary case studies, direct tax laws, international taxation, indirect tax laws. Foundation route for final level. After clearing group 1, group 2, you have to appear for final level, registered for final level exam, complete 2.6 years of practical training, complete 4 weeks of ICITS training, fill online application form for final exam, clear both the groups of final level, complete 6 months of practical training, registered for ICAI membership, and then you can become a chartered accountant. Now I'll talk about the direct entry. Those who have cleared the graduation, ICAA or CS, they can register for single or both groups of intermediate level, complete 4 weeks of ICITS training, registered for 3 years practical training, complete 9 months of practical training, fill online form for a single or both groups, clear both the groups of intermediate and complete ICITS training, then they are eligible for final level. After clearing intermediate level, registered for final level, complete 2.6 years of practical training, complete 4 weeks of ICITS training, fill online application form for final exam, clear both the groups of final level, complete 6 months of practical training, then register for ICAI membership, then you can become a chartered accountant. Start preparation as early as you can. See this table: CA Foundation Course 2020, 30th September and 30th June, last month registration. Examination held in the month of May and November. Validity of registration 3 years. Subjects covered 4. The fees 11,300. Should appear for 12th exam. CA Intermediate Course 28th February and 31st August last date. May and November exam conducted in this month. Validity for registration 4 years. Subjects age 27,300. Fee should clear foundation and graduation or post graduation. CA final course May and November examination time. Validity of registration 5 year. Subject 8 32,300. Fee should clear intermediate level and 3 years practical training. Please refer this table again. The useful link for you is www.ici.org. Registration, application, exam syllabus, last year papers, exam date, results, and many more information will be available. Still, if you have any query, please contact me. My name is Yashwant Kulkarni. My number is 9822032289. If you like this video, please press like, share with your friends. And if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to see career related and motivational videos. Wish you all the best.